Hello students, welcome back to Trendy Achievers channel. So now we are going to discuss a very important concept for BPC Zoology students first year. So for IPE and even MCET and NET, this is very important concept. Under the case of IPE for final exam, under long answer section chance of asking a very important question from 6th chapter, that is life cycle of Plasmodium in mosquito. What is that? Plasmodium organism. It is a protozoan organism, results in the causing of disease malaria. So that Plasmodium organism undergo two types of reproductive systems. The one is asexual reproduction and other one is sexual reproduction. In mosquito, it undergoes sexual reproduction. What is meant by sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is the fusion of two gametes. Two, that means male and female gametes, results in the formation of zygote. So that type of sexual reproduction takes place in the mosquito. So let us see today what are the important steps involved in it. How to remember for final exam. So this concept is very easy if you understand the drawing and steps. Okay. So without delay, let us enter into the concept. When the female Anopheles mosquito bites the malarial patient, gametocytes. So gametocytes of erythrocytic cycle enters into the mosquito body. So what are those? And other stages of erythrocytic cycle dissolves except the gametocytes. Because the gametocytes require optimum pH, which require that optimum pH getting in the mosquito body. So that except the gametocytes, other stages of the erythrocytic cycle dissolves. So these gametocytes, when they enter into the crop of mosquito, so what is this? This is the crop wall. So this is the crop of the mosquito. In the crop of mosquito, the male gametocyte undergo division and forms a 8 daughter nuclei called as pronuclei. So nucleus undergo division and forms 8 pronuclei. And the cytoplasm pushes a periphery along with the pronuclei. So the cytoplasm along with the pronuclei forms like a flagella structure. So these flagella structures shows lashing movements to come out of the cytoplasm. So what is that? First, male gametocyte, it undergo division, the nucleus undergo division and forms pronuclei. That pronuclei along with the cytoplasm shows a sickle shaped structures, and then these flagella like structures comes out of the cytoplasm and shows lashing movements. That process is called as exflagellation. So that means microgamete only moves towards the female gamete. Okay students. So now the male gamete moves towards the female gamete. So the process of entire Plasmodium life cycle in mosquito occurs in 4 stages. What are those? First, gametogony, fertilization, formation of ookinete or vermicule and oocyst, and then sporogony. What are the 4 phases? Gametogony, fertilization, formation of ookinete and oocyst, gametogony. So first now we are in gametogony. That means in the gametogony, once again 2 stages. What are those? Male gametocyte, formation of male gamete and formation of female gamete. So this is the formation of male gamete. Now female gamete. So the female gametocyte undergo some changes and forms into female gamete. And in the female gamete, the cytoplasm pushes along with the nucleus to form a special cone-like structure called as fertilization cone. So the female gamete fertilization cone facilitates the entry of male gamete. The sickle-shaped male gamete enters into the female gamete with the help at the place of fertilization cone. So up to this, gametogony. Next, fertilization. Fertilization means what? The fusion of male and female gametes. Here, through the fertilization cone, the male gamete enters into the female gamete. The fusion of the female and male gametes along with their cytoplasms results in the formation of a special structure called as synkaryon. What is that, students? Synkaryon. And as these male and female gametes are dissimilar in shape, that is called as anisogamy. In the fertilization, these two special technical words to be wrought. What are those? Synkaryon and anisogamy. So these results in the formation of a special structure called as zygote. That is fertilization. Next, the zygote, for some time it remains constant. It doesn't move anywhere, and after some time it transforms into a slender long structure called as a vermicule or eukaryote in the crop wall near to the basement membrane. So this eukaryote forms a cyst wall around it and results in the formation of oocyst. What is this, students? Oocyst. Now vermicule or eukaryote transforms into oocyst by forming a cyst wall around it. And then now hereafter this is sporogony. What is meant by sporogony? The formation of sporozoids. Formation of sporozoids from oocyst called as sporogony. In the oocyst, the nucleus undergo first meiotic or reduction division and then follows with the many mitotic divisions and results in the formation of number of nuclei, and that results in the formation of sporoblast. What is the, students? Sporoblast. In the sporoblast, the nucleus undergo number of divisions and surrounds with a cytoplasm, a bit of cytoplasm, and the nuclei transforms into a sickle-shaped structures called as the sporozoids. So here the oocyst with the number of sporozoids called as sporocyst. The technical terms are very important, students. So once again I'll explain overall. So these sporoblast, if it bursts, nearly 10,000 sporocysts were released into the homocele. Slowly they reaches the salivary glands of the mosquito. So here this oocyst or this oocyst on the crop of mosquito, nearly 50 to 500 were observed by Sir Ronald Ross. For the discovery of the Ronald Ross, for the honor of the scientist, the cycle is called as Ross cycle because the life cycle of Plasmodium in mosquito discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. Okay, students, what are the 4 steps? Once again we are discussing gametogony, fertilization, formation of vermicule or eukaryote and oocyst, and sporogony. This is very easy, students, and if you understand the drawing and then headings, it is easy to write. Easily you can score 8 out of 8 in the final exam. I hope this concept helps you a lot to understand the life cycle of Plasmodium in mosquito. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and send to your friends. Okay, students, I need your support to do more videos. I hope these videos are all helpful to you for your academics to score out of marks. Thank you and have a nice day.